Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. And I have some more bags from the company LASNV. Their website is filled with bags. And they have some new things too now. They have some accessories. So I'm going to show you some bags today, and I'm going to show you some that are like dupes for famous bags. I have two to show you like that. And I actually have 8 bags altogether, so I'm making 2 videos because there's just too much to show in one video. So let me start off. Well, first of all, I do have a code. So when you go on their website, whether they have sales going on or anything, you can use my code anytime. My code is, I had it written down here. What I do with it? Here it is. It's CATS, C-A-T-S, the number 5, and then O-F-F. And you'll get 5% discount in addition to the already really low prices. And their bags are lots of fun, y'all. They have all different styles. They have all different sizes. They have bags for children. They have bags for adults. They just have quite a selection. They have evening bags and they have wallets and they just have everything. So this, I'm going to start off with this bag. This bag is beautiful. I hope you can see it's like a pebble leather. Of course, nothing is leather. It's like, you know, the PU leather. It is, you know, made to look like leather. So this is very beautiful. This bag, here's the back of it here. Here it is. I haven't opened it yet, but this bag is a classic crossbody handbag. It's also called a small messenger bag, and some people call it a camera bag, pardon me. And this bag is a dupe for several different designer bags. The most famous that I know of is Michael Kors. And so this is a dupe for his bag. It's not his bag. Just want you to know that off the top. Now those bags, you know, go into the hundreds of dollars, and this bag is $16.96. And this bag did come in black and white, and then this cream color, beige, whatever you want to call that. So I took the stuffing out, and the inside is very nicely lined. As you can see, look there's a nice big pocket. My cell phone would fit in that pocket. And on the other side, the same thing, a nice big pocket. And then it's a fabric. It's lined all through, if you can see that. And the outside has a zipper pocket where you can put nice things in there, you know, your driver's license or your credit card or something. And then the front pocket is open, but it does have a little magnet clasp. So what you put in here might not be as secure as what, you know, what else you want to put in here, but it'll be handy. And then that beautiful lining, it's like a herringbone lining, is in the front pocket as well. And this comes with this strap. And this is what makes this strap so designer. I mean, it's very classic, and many of the bags that I said earlier, there's Ted Baker London, there's Ellie Beaumont, and they all have this beautiful type of strap. So this strap, you see that it has the leather look, and then these kinds of clips on it, and it's beautiful coloring. Nice neutrals, and this is the outside way you put it on. And then it is, you can make this crossbody. Let me hook it up and then I'll show you. You can adjust it to fit different ways. So depending on how you like to carry your bag. The hardware on this one is silver, very pretty. Okay, see, it clips very easily on there. I should have showed you that, sorry. And then you can just grab it like this and hold it, or you can put it on your shoulder. I'm having the shoulder problems here, y'all. If you're new to my channel, on my shoulder, I have a pinched nerve, so doing the best I can with that. And you can also make this crossbody by extending this. See, it's just very easy to extend it. And then it has all this nice little leather detail, you know, like I said, faux leather detail. But the bag itself is gorgeous. It's really beautiful and just the right. I love this kind of size for shopping. The camera bag size for shopping is perfect because you can put in your phone, your keys can go in here, a wallet can fit in here, and anything else you might need. And then it's got the crossbody, so when you put it over you, this will be in front where it's secure and no one can get into it. So that's $16.96, y'all, for a over $200 designer look. And isn't that beautiful? I love it. I love it. So the cats were just up here, so a little fur in my face. Then we have this adorable bag. I love this one too because I especially love the color. I chose it for the color. This is what very, very popular right now. Very, very popular right now are the fanny packs are coming back, but not to wear them around your waist. You can possibly do that with this bag because this is adjustable, but this is more for, a lot of people are wearing these bags just like this. They're putting them over their shoulder and holding them here, or they are making them in a crossbody where they cross you right here. And they make it into a very short crossbody, so it stays right in front of you like this. So you can do it either way, but let me show you a little bit about it. The color is gorgeous. It's teal, and it's a quilted, a faux leather, and well, here's the back. So the back is like that. It has this beautiful gold gold hardware on it, and then the front has more gold hardware. It has these cute pulls. Aren't they adorable? So you can use one pull or both pulls. Open it this way. And then if you want to just use one all the time, this will go all the way over to the other side. Whoops. Here comes nosy girl. Okay. This will go all the way over to that side, or this can go all the way over that side, or if you like it right in the middle, you can use both. But I like that has the faux leather on it, and the other one is just a nice big ring. This is a small ring, if you can see. So let's just leave it open so I can show you the inside. This is lined, and there's no pockets or anything, so it's just, it's what it is, really. It's just like a nice big pocket. So you really don't need a pocket inside. But there's a lot of room in there for your essentials for when you're out and about. And then the strap. Look at how pretty this strap is, y'all. It is woven, the faux leather is woven with the gold. Isn't that pretty? It's such nice detail. Such nice detail. And then this is your adjustable part here. The other side also has that detail. The woven leather with the gold hardware. And then this is what, if you want to extend it, this is where you'll extend it by moving this. This is very much like a designer bag in the way these rivets are on here. Camille is right in front of me. But you pop these off and then move them around, and then you can make it longer or shorter. I don't think you can make it shorter. That might be, well, yeah, you can make it shorter or longer. And it's just, I love the color. That's what I got it for. I got it for the color and for just running to the store on the weekends. So I really like that one. That one is $11.66. And I'll have all the links below. And this one also comes in black or in white. So a very nice bag. And then I have, if I can get Camille off of it, I have this beautiful evening bag. Hi, Camille. This is really pretty, y'all. This is called Casual Diamonds Crossbody. And let me show you how pretty it is. The chain is very lightweight. It's all silver hardware. And there are rhinestones all on this side. So it looks like diamonds. Very beautiful. This is beautiful to carry. And then the silver hardware everywhere. And then it has all these rhinestones. Let me open it up and pop it out some. I didn't realize it came with a oh, it had a little pillow in there that got deflated. On the inside, it is lined, and there's a little pocket on one side. Is that, yeah, there's a pocket. Is that, oh, let me see what that, oh, well, that's not quite a pocket. It's, let me see how that's working in there. Maybe, It's, I'm not really sure how that's working in there, but anyway, there's a lining. And then I didn't realize it does have, I like this. This is how I would use it if I was using this for a wedding or something, or going out for the evening. See, it's like a little barrel bag. There's nothing in it right now, so let me put some of this paper in to pop it out a little bit. Maybe you can see it better. See how it's shaped like that. And then it does have this beautiful long chain. This was in the bottom of the bag. I didn't even know this came with it. And it's like this is like a snake wire. See, now, as much as I've messed with it and as tangled as it was, it's not caught up at all. It's not broken at all. And then it has the nice little clips, so you can put them on. Let me see, like here. Put that one on there. Whoops. Camille. And then over here. So you can leave this on and use it, just keep it close with you. But then also, if you need to put it over your shoulder, you can, like that. Or you can, again, another crossbody. I love the crossbody bags, but this is, look at how pretty it is with just the chain sitting when you're using this longer chain. It's so pretty with the rhinestones on there. That is beautiful. $8.83, y'all. $8.83. I mean, the prices are incredible. Incredible. And then the big bag of this video, the big designer bag of this video is this bag. Okay, Camille, you'll have to get off this bag. Oops, okay, let her move on. This is a tote bag, and this comes in many different colors. And all right, Camille, come on now, go down, lovey. I'm sorry about the cats, y'all. I know y'all tell me not to be sorry, but in case you're new here, I do have cats. This bag is denim, and it comes in many fabrics, many styles. It comes in a couple different sizes. This bag is about $30, and it says the tote bag. So this is a dupe for the Marc Jacobs bag that is $400. This bag is $30. And I got the denim, and they are, right now they're out of the denim, but they'll get more in. Right now they have some of the different colors, but you'll see it soon. So I haven't looked in this one yet, but let me show you all around how cute it is. Here's the back, and then here is the side, has this tab pull on it, which is cute. The other side does not, just on one side. And it says the tote bag, which is really fashionable and in, and then it has these great sewn handles. And then on the inside, let's see what it looks like. I'll give you a big peek at it, and then let me see. There, I see some things in the bottom. There's a strap, and then we have, it's nice and deep. It's a flat bottom. You can see it's a flat bottom. It's nice and deep. This can hold a lot of things, y'all, a lot of things. So inside this bag is, there are 2 pockets on this wall. So a nice big cell phone here, or a skinnier cell phone if you have one, maybe your keys on one side or something, and then everything else you can just put in there. See, can you see how that is in there? It's sewn in there. And there is a zipper at the top of this with black, this has black hardware. And if we let's get it open. Sometimes the zippers are a little hard at the beginning to get working. Okay, there we go. Oh, I zipped it closed instead of open. Okay, so this opens nice and big. So again, a nice place to have something. If you need to have something private in your bag, you can do that. And then that sets in there very nicely against the back wall. And then there is a top zipper for the whole thing. It's one of these styled zippers. So you can close the whole bag if you want to. I'm one of those people that I have my bag open all the time, no matter what style bag, unless it's an itty bitty bag and I'm out to eat or something. Let's see how that closes the whole thing. And then it has the strap. And again, this is a strap that is like a camera bag strap. So it's very adjustable. Can you see how much room you can really, here's the Hardware here on this is silver. Come on now, lovey. And you can adjust that very, very long. A lot of people will wear this like a messenger bag. They'll wear it really low, like, you know, below their hips. And this will go on here. There are these tabs inside here. These silver tabs to match the silver hardware. Right here. And I love these kind of clips. They're easy to use and they're pretty secure. So you can put that on and you can leave that strap on if you want, or you could put it in the bag for if you think I may need that to make that longer today, or you could just leave it in. Here's the other. And you can hold that over your shoulder or crossbody, make it long enough for crossbody, or you could just let it hang, which I do a lot with straps like that also, and just hold it like this. Put it on your arm like this, you know, whichever way. But the tote bag in denim, I love it. $400 bag, y'all. $400 bag, 30 bucks. So I just love it. So thank y'all for stopping by to see what I have. I'll show you quick again. The tote bag in denim, this adorable fanny pack, which they're calling chest bag now. That's like the newer name. Sorry about my clothes are coming off here. I apologize. The chest bag, okay? The gorgeous, this bag is so elegant and pretty. I love that it has that extra strap because this looks so pretty just hanging there, this rhinestone chain. And then this gorgeous designer bag. Gorgeous. And the pricing in LASNV, the pricing is incredible. You really have to go and look. And then they get new things in all the time. So check them out. They also have, I've shown you before, they have bag sets, and they have like luggage sets. So you can have a really big bag and then all the little bags to go with it for your cosmetics and your wallet and things like that. I've shown you things like that before. Beautiful, beautiful sets, y'all. So go check them out. And if you do, use my code Cats5off. I'll have that in the title and in the description if you want to, because like I said, no matter what sales they might be having, they'll also accept my code. So thank y'all for stopping by. And this is part 1. So look in a couple of days for part 2, okay? And I've got another couple of designer bags to show you, or, you know, dupes, designer dupe bags. Thanks for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings. Bye-bye. Thank you so much to LASNV for sending me these beautiful bags.